We love pizzas, we can't stop it. Thin crust loaded with cheese and toppings, puffed crust, fusion stuff, oh god, so many types. It's a go to meal, a party pleaser, delivery on demand, and everyone's favorite. No matter what you name it and how you consume it, pizza is an all round food classic. But where did it come from? Let us know something about it. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to channel. Pizza has evolved hundreds of styles over generations. Exactly like pizza, the history of pizza is filled with thick cheese of mystery. To know about its origin, we need to travel back to 19th century Naples. Throughout the Mediterranean, the ancient Greeks enjoyed various flatbreads. Focaccia is one of the ancestors of pizza, a tasty flatbread that Romans called panis focaccius. The word pizza actually means a pie. It was introduced around 1000 AD. But the dish was missing most of the things that we see today, like sauce, cheese, pepper. Centuries later, pizza with only flatbread, oil, and toppings was usually considered as a food for the poor. But then came a guy named Rafael Esposito. He was a pizza maker who was charged for making special pizza for Queen Margherita. In an effort to make a pizza worthy of his royal guest, he tried something experimental and patriotic, a pizza wonderfully decorated with the colors of the Italian flag. He did that by flavoring with basil, mozzarella, and tomatoes, thus creating what we would later call the Margherita pizza. And because of this, Esposito was credited as the father of modern pizza by many. Later that century, Italians started immigrating themselves to United States and brought pizza along with them. And later, Americans started developing their own distinct flavors for the American pizza. In United States, Lombardi was the first officially licensed pizzeria since 1905. Still located in Little Italy section of Manhattan, Lombardi offers its beautiful smoky crusted oven baked pizza topped with tomatoes, fresh milk mozzarella and basils, wanting visitors to come back again. Later in 1958, Pizza Hut was founded by Dan and Frank Carney in Wichita, Kansas, and it grew quickly throughout the world, revolutionizing the industry of pizzeria. Pizza delivery was an unexpected revolution and became a new trend. From Naples to New York and from New York to the whole world, pizza has become a staple food for everyone. Pizza will remain an iconic Italian dish no matter what you think about it. It has become one of the most popular and well-known foods today. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.